How to make your Facebook profile private. Hi everyone and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can make Facebook profile private. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, now to make your Facebook profile private, you have to get to your profile page. For that, tap on your profile icon from the top left corner just below the home icon. You will land in your profile page. Now under your profile page, just below your profile name, there you will have a few buttons. From there, tap on the three dot icon or the button. Now under this profile setting page, you will have an option to lock profile. Tap on it and then tap on lock your profile. But before that, make sure to read this information. The first one says only friends will see all your past and future photos, post stories on your profile, even those that used to be public. So tap on lock your profile. Now once you have locked your profile, only the people that is added in your Facebook account or that is friends on your Facebook account will be able to view your Facebook profile. The people who are not friend in your Facebook account will not be able to view your Facebook account. That means your Facebook profile is now private. So that's how you make your Facebook profile private. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.